Let me turn this up a little.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for northern
Oh God.
County in northeast New Jersey, Rockland County in southeast New York, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles west of Ridgewood or near Wayne, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Ramsey, Muncie, Pearl River, Benea and UT, Tappan, Orangeburg, Hood City, Buffer, Nyack, and Haverstraw. Precautionary preparedness actions. When a tornado warning is issued based on
Is it reading directly off the script?
rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors and to the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass.
It's a different voice for once, but whatever.